it is Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can use Microsoft PowerPoint online. Yes, very important. So I'm going to be guiding you through that particular area. Right, so the first thing that I wanted to do is bring up this browser here. Remember, wonder what is this type of browser? Let me minimize. This is the browser, which is Microsoft Edge. Right, so bring it up. Now, when you bring it up like this is what you will see. You notice this is TikTok apps and all the rest of apps. If you notice, you come to the right here. I see this 9 look that you're going to click on. Now, when you click on it, if you notice right here, if you're Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, To Do, Drive, I'm going to click right here on the PowerPoint. Now, when I click exactly on the PowerPoint, definitely you'll see exactly what takes place here. Right? If you notice right up here, for your PowerPoint, if you notice right here, on the side, you notice on the side, show your home. You notice this display Microsoft Word right here and all of that. And if you notice, all of these are templates so far. In the PowerPoint, right? These are templates. But if you notice right here, showing a blank. Yes, definitely a blank. So what I want to do, I want to select the blank. And then you see, all right, and right here, for more themes. So if you have a PowerPoint on your desktop, you can actually upload it from this particular site. Right, you can actually search, you notice, a share or recent. Now I'm going to click right here on the blank. And when I click on the blank, definitely, what will happen, right? And if you notice right up here, display, all right, so there we go. So right here, say click to add title, click here to add subtitle, right? Very important. If you notice right up here, show your file, you're gonna click right here on file, right? Definitely, when you click on file, you will see different stuff come up, the file tab. So this is the home tab. You have the insert, draw tab and all that. Like we have basically in the next one and all that. The share right here can actually do dictating. So system you can share. I notice right here now have to do with the editing. Just the same, we can also make comment. Right up here you can actually search. You can also use the animated right here. You can also use the insert to actually insert more slides. You notice click is a new slide right here. Insert picture. There's only a slight little difference, right? And all of that. Over here, notice I show design here. When I click right here, you notice that shows some other stuff like merge, cut and all that transition. When I click on animation, right? You see because nothing when I click here, you notice it show right here. If I click right here on slideshow, you notice current and all that from the beginning. So basically you can actually do the same thing right here. Do the review, just the same shape and all of that. And I come back up to home, right? Notice this is what it actually brings. You can draw a color right here. You can get shapes, right? You can actually put in numbers and all of that. You need to can bold, right? And so you can increase the font size right here, right? And when I go file over here, definitely you notice what is right there. So show home, new and all that is right here, the info, save as. You can also print it from all of that. It's very important right here. So actually close. So this is where we actually use the online Microsoft PowerPoint. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.